Hey Brooks and Steve, I'm going to show you how to use the your map feature here, and you guys can create your video kind of in your own verbiage. So basically, you come onto the site and somebody will pop their address in. So I'll use my home address for now. So they can put in their address. And once they pop their address in, it's going to get them close. They can add a marker if they want, but what you can do is actually zoom in quite a ways. You can either use the zoom feature or they can double click. So then let's say you wanted to draw your property map in a specific area. Simply click the rectangle box and then draw the map. This would depict kind of their property outline. And now let's say you wanted to draw your deer paths. You have a drawing tool here which they could draw a line with their deer path. And let's say you wanted to create a water area or whatever you'd like to have those areas be. You can also pin a spot, which I think would be great for your actual stands. But you can just click the pin. It by default brings up stand 1. You can do all these. If you click on that, drop your stand in, let it title it what you want. They can put any information they want that's going to go in here. They could also attach pictures, but we can talk about that stuff later. Hit save. They can keep doing it with multiple stand 2 until they get the desired what they want. You can also go in here and let's say something needs to be removed. You can simply click your erase tool and hover over anything and really easily remove anything that's there. You can also move anything that's there, and they can kind of draw and zoom in, and it will automatically proportion itself to what they need. They can also modify the colors of what they're doing. So let's say you want this line to actually be a different color. You simply click the color that you want and then draw a new line, and it would be that color. You can also, once you already have stuff in here, when you click on it, it'll show you stand 1, great stand, and you can click the little pencil tool to edit what's going on there. Once you're done drawing and putting all the features of the stuff that you want in there, then you could just instruct them to scroll down. And now they can start filling out this entire property analysis, which I got from Steve. They'll click next. They'll go through and answer all the questions that are pertinent. And if you notice, the questions automatically populate below the map, but as they go to the next question, it removes the previous one. Kind of lets them go through without having to scroll down through a lot of more information than what they'd actually need. So I'm going to go through all the way through this, and what happens is you're going to hit submit. When they hit submit, it's going to send you the entire form of everything that you submitted, and it's going to submit you the map. Right before this submission spot is where we would have the dollars come in. So we have to talk about how you want that to happen. Do you want them to have a teaser where they can send it? Do you want to have a, just kind of what you want to have happen right there? That's a simple PayPal button, and it works from there. And then we'd be on to step 2, which would be actually formatting their full-blown page where you guys go in, draw the map, lock them out of it. But that'll kind of give you the basics of how to use the map and how to select, and then you guys can create the video, which we could populate into any area onto the website. So I will put this video up above, and then that'll show you guys kind of how it works.